When I asked her the great question, her wheels were turning. She looked up. She's thinking. Now, when you can ask a question to your buyers and sellers that makes them think, now you're winning. You get better with this with practice. There's the difference between a good question and a great question. And let me demonstrate this. We've not rehearsed this, so I'll just ask you a question. So, honey, I really know when your birthday is. So what month were you born?
December.
I knew that, just not to get in trouble. So that was a good question. Typically, if you ask someone and you learn something, you ask the question you learned, that's a good question. It's not a great question because I don't think she learned anything. I think she knew she was born in December. Here's a great question. Kristan, if you could had a magic wand and you could be born in any month of the year, other than the month that you were born in December, what month would you choose?
I would choose April.
Now, she wasn't acting there. And I'm kind of curious, maybe we'll have a conversation on the way home. Why April? However, did you see the difference? And when I asked her when she was born, she said December. No thought, boom. When I asked her the great question, her wheels were turning. She looked up. She's thinking. Now, when you can ask a question to your buyers and sellers that makes them think, now you're winning. Because remember, logic makes them think, emotion makes them act. If they happen to be on the fence, the emotion of fear is keeping them from getting off the fence. So if you can ask them a question that makes them think, you are shifting, you are neutralizing emotion, you're energizing logic. The wheels are turning, then they have to articulate the answer.